Some tools should never be far from a woodworker's hands when they're in the shop. That's why we created the Woodworker's Master Marking Set. This 6-piece set includes tools for measuring and marking that see constant use with any serious woodworking project. From a basic steel rule to a sliding double square, you'll be covered. Let's start with the 9-inch sliding bevel and its companion bevel gauge. To cut an accurate angle on any length of wood, find that angle and set the sliding bevel, locking the angle in place. Then simply take the sliding bevel to your miter saw and set the blade angle to match. Perfect. The sliding bevel is also the perfect tool for laying out dovetail angles. Next up is our wheel marking gauge and marking knife. The marking gauge includes cutters to lay out both sides of a mortise in one pass, or set it with a single end cutter to transfer and mark half lap joints. Of course, it's also the perfect tool for marking out tenons. For a deeper location mark, our dual angle marking knife makes it easy to mark a line in any direction. Mark using a mating piece or follow the edge of our 6-inch steel rule. We've also included the indispensable 4-inch sliding double square. Use it for transferring dimensions for joinery, laying out rabbets or tenons, and it's a great tool for table saw blade and router bit setup. Our 6-inch steel rule includes 4 imperial scales and even a 32nd inch end scale. Another great tool for machinery setup. With this set of premium measuring and marking tools, you'll always have what you need close at hand.